To find the energy of a particle in simple harmonic oscillation, we need the equation of simple harmonic oscillation, that is y equals to a sin omega t plus delta. So we want to measure kinetic energy first. Ek equals to half m v square. So to find v, we know that v equals to dy dt, that is a omega cos omega t plus delta. So just put the value, and cos omega t can be replaced also, root over 1 minus sin square omega t plus delta, that is a omega root over 1 minus y by a, y square by a square. So just put this value in the equation. Ek equals to half m v square, that is half am v square equals to a square omega square 1 minus y square by a square, or then ek equals to finally half am omega square a square minus y square. By subtracting this, again to find potential energy, we know that force is, to find potential energy, we know force is proportional to y, and that is force equals to minus omega square y. So taking only magnitude, F equals to omega square y. So the potential energy is the work done. Potential energy is the work done to bring the particle from 0 to y position, that is integration of 0 to y f dy, that is 0 to y omega square y dy, that is omega square y by 2. So this is for unit masses, because this force equals to omega square y for am equals to 1. If we take mass m, then EP equals to half m omega square y by 2. So finally kinetic energy equals to half m omega square a square minus y square, and EP equals to half m omega square y square. Sorry, there will be mistake, only half m omega square y square. So these are kinetic energy and potential energy. So maximum kinetic energy equals to maximum potential energy half m omega square a square, when y equals to a for potential energy a square. So we know that when EP is maximum, that is y equals to a, then Ek is minimum, and when Ek is maximum, that is y equals to 0, then EP also minimum. So if we plot energy versus y, then we see that for kinetic energy at y equals to 0, kinetic energy is maximum. This is maximum value half m omega square a square, and when a equals to y, then this goes to 0. This value gives y equals to a. So this graph indicate kinetic energy graph. Again EP equals to half m omega square y square. So when y equals to 0, kinetic energy is 0. So when y equals to 0, kinetic energy is 0, and when y equals to a, kinetic energy, this y equals to a, kinetic energy goes to maximum, and maximum value is half m omega square a square. So this is the maximum value. So in our figure, the brown graph indicate the potential energy graph EP with respect to y, and white graph indicates in the kinetic energy graph, and total energy equals to E total is to EK plus EP equals to half m omega square a square minus y square plus half m omega square y square equals to half m omega square a square, which is constant with respect to time and y. So total energy always constant. So we can plot total energy as a half m omega square a square. So this line gives the total energy, always constant with respect to y.